is Emma, and I'm a senior consultant here at Camunda. I've been with the company for almost 6 years now. Started off in the support team, helping with technical issues, and now I've moved into consulting where my primary focus is helping customers find success with Camunda, helping them design their platform, design their VPMNs, and just make sure that they're onboarded and ready to go.
Hey, hi. I'm Arim. I have been with Camunda for the past couple of years. As a consultant, my primary role is to bridge the gap between Camunda's technology and its practical application in the client's organization. So once the customers are onboarded, we closely work with them to understand their goals and what they aim to achieve using Camunda. To guide the customer and to understand what they're trying to achieve, and then help them with the specific timeline right from the get-go. We try to gather the requirements and then plan their timeline and then achieve the timeline. And throughout this journey, we give them the guidance.
Exactly the same thing. Getting to watch the projects grow from start to finish. Watching a customer who may have no experience with BPMN or Camunda at all, and come in and be successful and see the value that this process automation and orchestration has in their company. Getting to solve the technical problems is also exciting. Getting to integrate with these systems that are already existing in a customer's environment and their systems. Yeah, so the Migration Masterclass is a brief introduction to Camunda 8. We figured at this point a lot of people already know all of the advantages and features, but it's we're going to have customers come in, talk about their real-life migration stories, as well as present the tooling and assistance that we can provide to help making the migration from Camunda 7 to Camunda 8 as easy and simple as possible. We will have one of our partners joining the talk as well, to present some of the solutions and toolings that they have to offer, which I think is great to see that there are many methods. You can go with help from a consulting team, or you can work with a partner that you may already be working with or have a relationship with. As sunsetting a product can be kind of scary. Yeah. There's extra effort, there's work, you're going to be familiar with Camunda 8 because you're coming from Camunda 7, but it is different. And I think the goal here for Ariva Night is to make sure customers and attendees feel confident that they can make this migration, that it's not scary. If you already have a project in C7, there is some work behind the scenes to migrate your code from that to C8, but it's a lot of boilerplate code. The core of what you're doing will stay the same. You're going to be using different REST APIs, but they're still REST APIs. You don't have to change the patterns you're using. So it's not difficult. And we do have lots of tooling, including recipes to help automate the process of translating the C7 code to C8 code.
Yeah, just to add to Emma, the BPMN remains the same. So the core components, the core design patterns remain the same. So that's what makes it easier to transition. I'm super excited for CamundaCon because it's a great chance to connect with the whole Camunda community and learn from real world use cases and dive into the latest features and innovations, especially with agentic AI. So it's always inspiring to see how others use Camunda to drive their process automations forward.
Yeah, I'm excited to meet customers, meet the community, see how they're implementing Camunda in their processes and in their businesses. I'm really excited that this comes just on the cusp of the release of 8.8 because there's a lot of great features, including the agentic AI. There's also the streamlined architecture, which is going to be a huge improvement, going to make it much easier to install, maintain, and manage. So it's going to be really fun because I'm so excited about this release to hear how the customers are excited about it too.